iTigane Geanthone isona kuphela isikole samabanga aphakeme kule ndawo. Kufanele samukele abafundi abavela esikolweni ezine zamabanga aphansi kule ndawo kanye nabanye abafundi abasuka kwezinye izikole ezisemaphandleni akhelele ndawo. Ingakho isibalo sabafundi sigcina sevile kakhulu.
The normal capacity of the school is 1,346, but currently for the academic year of 2023, we've been experiencing an abnormal number that is 1,718. That thing on its own is disturbing teaching and learning in terms of even teachers themselves, they've been demoralized.
We have classes, grade 8 classes. We have 11 of them in this school, Geanthone Secondary School. They come on shifts.
Endaweni eqhele ngamakhilomitha ngaphansi kwamahlanu khona esinye samabanga aphakeme singaqedanga ukwakhiwa.
This project is one of the projects was supposed in this situation in academic 2023 was supposed to address that later, because this project is almost 3 years, but there's no development in terms of progress.
Umnyango uthi ukwakhiwa kwalesikole kwaphazanyiswa yimbhikisho yomphakathi.
Because of the community unrest, they delayed the contractor because the community made some requirements that they want subcontracting, which is even more than what the government has stipulated, which is 40% and above.
Umnyango wezemfundo wengeze ngokuthi usuhlinzeke ngamagumbi okufundela ngomahamba nendlwana okulindeleke ukuba aqale ukusebenza maduzane.